How to add multiple emails accounts to Apple Mail. Step 1. Start by opening Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on Mail. Step 2. Next, tap Accounts, then Add Account. Choose the email provider you want to add like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, or tap Others if it's not listed. Enter your email address and password. Then follow the prompts to sign in. Step 3. Once signed in, choose what to sync: mail, contacts, calendars, notes, and etc. Tap Save, and that account is now linked to your Apple Mail app. Step 4. If you want to add more, just repeat the same steps for each account. Apple Mail will keep everything organized, and you can view them separately or in one unified inbox. You can also rename your accounts for easier access. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, tap your account, and customize the description field. And that's it!